Went away?
No.
No?
The red is a book. A book.
The book.
I put it in a book.
The N. Again.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Where is it? At the book.
The N. Again. Again.
Again.
Again.
Again.
Again.
I
Oh no!
book.
Oh boy.
Already.
That ends again? That ended so fast. Again. Again.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hey!
I feel like it's a different story every time.
A book?
Oh, that brings all right. Hey, D.
Jeez.
What? A red rat.
A red rat?
The red is out. Book.
Is there a lion in there? The end. That was such a good story. Was there a lion in that story?
No.
No?
And the red is on.
You read it already?
What is it?
Do you want to sit up here and read again?
Again?
Right here. Come. Come.
Okay.
Sit right here and read. Yeah, read again. Doesn't look so right.
Red what?
No, it didn't end that fast.
I did it.
Please do it again.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's a super.
There's a video.
Free.
What's this book about?
It's one.
No, you break in the book. Is there a monster? Is there a monster there? Oh no.
Uncle.
A clue?
Oh, there.
A circle or a triangle? Because I heard a clue. So who knows what we just saw.
There. Okay.
Oops.
I'm over there. Da-da-da-da.
Da-da-da-da. What'd you find? You made a big mess in my room.
Did you what?
You made this mess.
Where? Where?
Where?
Let's see.
What do I see?
Where?
Where? Are you looking for a clue?
Oh, see one.
I see it. I see one.
Oh, oh.
He's under my bed. He's totally under my bed. Yay! He got one.
What the hell did he bring out?
I don't know.
A monster.
What?
Yay! The clue was chalk. Yeah.
Why is this bitch laughing at me?
Zave, are you writing the story right now?
No.
You're just drawing.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you.
Love you. Hey. I said I love you.
What?
What? Peace out.